Okay guys, this is the adapter and the SSD. The SSD is Samsung's Evo 850 Evo 250 GB version. The adapter I got it from AliExpress. Okay. Now this is a MacBook Pro 15-inch and this is the SSD slot. Okay, I am inserting the SSD into the Mac. Takes a wiggle. Okay. Okay. Let's temporarily cover it and turn it on. Okay, the Mac is up and it's working. So that's it. Hope you guys liked the video. Thumbs up if you liked it.